Gente siempre me ha preguntado, ¿quién es mi superhéroe? ¿Quién me inspira? Y yo siempre he dicho, yo. Siempre he ido más alto y más lejos de todo lo que se ha requerido de mí, porque he querido ser una persona mejor. My name is Maria Magdalena de la Cruz Garcia, but people call me Maggie, and I'm the owner of Maggie Salsa, LLC. I started making my salsa actually when I came here to the United States and I was in college. All my friends told me that this stuff is so good, you should sell it. And I would tell them, you're nuts. And then one day my friends forced me to enter a salsa competition in Charleston, and I won by unanimous vote. And then at that moment I thought, maybe I do have something here.
When I first tasted Maggie Salsa, I was blown away. It was an awesome product. I could tell it was fresh, I could tell it was made with quality ingredients, and knew that it would be a great product for Walmart.
To get a call from Walmart was, wow, was amazing.
In 2011, Walmart launched the Global Women's Economic Empowerment Initiative, and it was really designed to use our unique size and scale to bring more diversity to our supply base. The most surprising thing I discovered about Maggie, and actually probably the most impressive as well, was that she was born in Mexico, raised in an orphanage, and immigrated into this country before starting her business.
It was really tough. There's a lot of poverty. I saw a lot of suffering. My biggest hope was to someday come out of there and be a success, be something that would inspire millions of people. Before I actually started my business, I was homeless, living on the streets of Charleston, and somebody actually gave me $800 to start my business, and that was it.
Our goal is to source $20 billion from women-owned businesses by 2016.
What a great opportunity that Walmart can give to women and minorities across this country. And I know how important it is because it's giving opportunity to those that might not have it otherwise. As women, we think differently and we have a lot to contribute. And I really think Walmart understands that.
Most of our customers are women, so women-owned businesses are really in a unique position to understand our customers and their needs.
My salsa is unique because it's an all fresh salsa. We don't cook any of the ingredients. My customers truly love our products.
What makes Maggie's a perfect fit for Walmart, again, it's a quality product, it's made with quality ingredients, it tastes great, and it's a value for our customer. The most exciting part of my job is being able to bring a company like Maggie's to market and help make it successful.
El consejo que yo le diera a muchas mujeres que están pensando en realizar sus sueños es esto. Be courageous. Sal fuera de tu caja. Si quieres hacer algo extraordinario, tienes que hacer algo que nunca has hecho antes. Tú eres suficientemente fuerte para hacer todo lo que quieras hacer para realizar tus sueños.